Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to walk through the step-by-step how to download the Raspberry Pi software. So as you guys know, the Raspberry Pi is here, so we're just gonna go ahead and then install the software and get this guy running. All right, let's get it. All right, first thing first, let's take out the brand new SD card that I'll be using for the Raspberry Pi setup. And after getting out the box, we just want to make sure to place it inside of the SD card reader. And after you place it inside the SD card reader, now you want to plug it into any laptop that you have. For example, here I'm using my Dell, and from there I'm just going to go directly to the Raspberry Pi website. Choose your own operation system. I'm using Windows. Of course, I'm going to download for Windows. And after that, so here you're going to follow the step. Pretty easy. So just click on install, and as you can see, it is downloading right now. And when you're done, don't forget to click on, run as a Raspberry Pi image, and then just click on finish. All right, now let's select our devices. So you can choose whatever works best for you. I have the Raspberry Pi 4, so I'm just gonna go down, make sure that, I select the correct one. So I will be choosing the Raspberry Pi 4. And after that, we're gonna select our operation system. And I want to make sure to choose the lightest version possible, So I'm going to select the 64-bit, so which is, as you can see, it's clearly here. So that's what I'm gonna be choosing. And after that, let's select our storage, and the storage will be our SD card. We already have our SD card insert to the laptop, so that's what we're going to choose. And make sure that you choose the SD card. Now the next setting is to customize the settings. You can customize it, set a host name, set up like a username and a password. And I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna set like the name will be Raspberry Pi, and just to make sure to click on set up a username and password. I mean, you can create like a username and then like a password. It'd be very valuable if you're doing some like remote access to your Raspberry Pi for some like whatever you want to do with it. So, and then here we have the configuration of the LAN, and just make sure that you can show that like you connecting through an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi for whatever the case may be, and that's basically all the settings that we have here. And you can go through them and read them exactly, and it's nothing complicated. And device here, you can also enable the SSH, which is like a remote access. If you like I mentioned earlier, if you're trying to remote access to your Raspberry Pi, also make sure to click on that. And when you're done, just go ahead and then just click save. Basically those are the settings that we needed to go through them here. So, and now we have that done. So what's next here? So we're just gonna click on yes, and then the next question also is gonna be yes. It asks you if you're ready to set up, download the software. So just click on yes, and when you click on yes, now it start downloading. It's burning. The installation is going through, and it depends on your laptop, but mine is done. And then click on finish here, and as you can see, everything is done. And all right, now eject your SD card and plug it into your Raspberry Pi. All right guys, that will mark the end of this video. Thank you for being here, and I'm planning on being very transparent on what I'm doing. So I'm learning as I'm going. So I'm building a home lab. So if you want to see more video, just stay tuned, just subscribe, and see you guys into the next video.